What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make ribs, egg rolls, and fried rice. After doing so much research, I was able to put together a masterpiece. We're gonna start off with some jackfruit, and then 2 impossible burgers to this recipe, family. This is gonna be a binding agent. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, let's go. So for today's recipe, to make this taste like ribs, guys, we're gonna add some liquid smoke and just mix it in, guys. For this recipe, I'm gonna add this barbecue seasoning, guys, and I'm gonna go in and add just about a half a tablespoon, family. You don't need that much. All right, now let's just mix that baby in. All right, family, so I'm gonna add in about half a cup of my famous barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna mix it in. You don't want to put too much, because remember, we're gonna shape this into a mold that resembles ribs. All right, family, so now we're gonna grab our pan and add the grease to this so we could add in our ribs. All right, family, so we're gonna add about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix it in. Alright, so for this barbecue rib, guys, I'm gonna put a little barbecue sauce in my pan, so when I lay the rib there, it's so delicious, family. So we're gonna just add that in. Alright, family, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our rib and we're gonna just place it in the middle. Remember, we are trying to make a resemblance of a rib. Shout out to everybody watching this video. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, smash on that bell. Let's go. Alright, family, so I'm just making this look like a rib. I'm just shaping it to the size and the look of a rib, guys. That's what you gotta do. Just make it look like it. The jackfruit will make it have that tear when it cuts. I'm gonna give it the lines, guys. So this is all you gotta do. Just move some over if you can, just to make it look just like a rib, family. So beautiful, so delicious, and it's gluten-free and soy-free as well. All right, family, so I'm gonna just make a little line so it resembles ribs, family. Trust me, you're gonna love this recipe, family. See how quick this looks like a rib, guys? Tell me this don't look like ribs. Look how beautiful this rib looks. Alright, family, so we're gonna add some barbecue sauce on our ribs, family. Alright, family, so I have some onions that I sliced up, and I'm gonna just add them to the side. Alright, family, so after you finish putting the onions in the pan, you're gonna put this in the oven or the air fryer on 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. If you like what you see, come on, family. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go. So for today, we're gonna be making fried rice using jasmine rice. I added about a teaspoon of turmeric to give it that yellow color, just like we used to get from the Chinese restaurants, family. Bean sprouts, some yellow onions, green onions. So we're gonna add in some olive oil to the wok.
Alright, family, add your green onions. Alright, family, so add your bean sprout. I add about a cup. You don't have to add that much, but I love me some bean sprouts.
Add some black pepper. Family, so we're gonna add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder, family. we're gonna add a teaspoon of liquid aminos. So we're gonna add in our yellow onions. Smells so delicious in here, family. Check that out. If you don't like that much onions in your rice, this is not for you. Alright, family, so I already pre-made my eggs using the vegan just egg, so we're gonna just add that in. Alright, family, so we're gonna now add our rice to the wok. Smells amazing in here, guys. Check this out. Check this out, family. Alright, family, the rice is ready. Now let's make our egg rolls. To create your egg roll, guys, you can find these wraps at any store, family. It is not that expensive. All right, I already created the mix for the egg rolls, family. Check this out, family. You got some TVP for the pork, you got some cabbage and some carrots, some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil, guys, and some sesame seed. The recipe will be on vegankingsworld.com. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Alright, family, so we're gonna put our stuffing inside of this egg roll. You could put as much as you like. It is so simple, family. Alright, family, so you're gonna put some water all around there so it could get nice and sticky, so when you roll it, it stays together, family. Alright, family, so we're gonna just close it down the middle and then just roll it, family. Just tuck it in and roll it. Okay, so we're gonna just tuck that in like we wrapping a gift. Alright, family, so you're gonna add some water so the wrap can stick properly. Alright, family, just like so. We're gonna just place it right here. Alright, family, now it's time to fry our egg rolls. Alright, we're gonna fry these on both sides for 2 minutes, family. Alright, family, so it's finally ready. Alright, family, so 10 minutes before the ribs are done, take it out, right? And we're gonna just uncover it and we're gonna put it back for another 10 minutes, guys. Let me show you guys what it looks like after being cooked for about 35 minutes. Look at that, family. Look at how beautiful this looks. I'll just put a little bit more barbecue sauce on top so it could cook and get nice and brown. Alright, family, so put this beautiful rack of rib back in the air fryer or oven for 10 minutes. Don't forget, family, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go. It's finally ready, family. I made ribs, egg roll, and fried rice. This looks amazing, family. So you already know. Now it's time to eat. Alright, family, so we're gonna try this rib first. Look how hard it is, guys. It looks and feels just like an actual rib. So we're gonna go in for that first. We're gonna just, oh, look at that. Look at that tip. Ooh, look at that, family. Look at that. Break a piece off. Ooh, so tender. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It looks just like ribs. Now, let's go in for the bite. Oh, guys, have to try this recipe. Let's try this rice. Just how I used to buy it, family. Now, this egg roll. Woo! Oh my God. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, swing on that bell. Pay.